Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we will do question answers of class 5 English chapter 13 Firefly in my room. This is a poem. Let us do its question answers. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one is the firefly came into the room through the door. It is true or false? This statement is false because firefly came into the room through the window. So, we will write F here. Next is the firefly sat on the ceiling of the room for a long time. True or false? No, it is false because firefly does not stay for a long time at anywhere. So, we will write F here. The boy was sleeping when the firefly came into the room. This statement is false because he was not sleeping. So, we will write here F. Now, answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, why did the boy leave the window of his room open at night? Answer is, the boy left the window of his room open at night to invite a breeze, to invite light wind, because that was summer night and it was so hot. Question number 2. How did the firefly light up little spexes? Answer is, the firefly lighted up little spexes by twinkling and circling around the room. Question 3. Why did the boy call the firefly a friendly presence? Why did the boy call firefly a friendly presence? And remember the poem? Let us see the answer. The boy called the firefly a friendly presence because it dispelled his settled gloom. It makes him happy. Question number 4. How can you say that the boy did not want the firefly to leave his room? Answer is, we can say that the boy did not want the firefly to leave his room as he had left the window open for it to return. He left the window open so that it could return to his room. Now, fill in the blanks choosing appropriate words from the box. Some words are given here, we have to choose correct word and write it in the blank. Sleepless, softly, ceiling, breeze and dispel. First one is, my uncle is so tall that he can touch the, which word will come? Ceiling. So, we will write here ceiling. Next is, everyone likes school dash in summer season. Which word will come? Breeze. So, we will write here breeze. Everyone likes cool breeze in summer season. Next is, grandma told us an inspiring story to dash our fear of darkness. Which word will come? Dispel. So, we will write here dispel. Means disappear. Grandma told us an inspiring story to dispel our fear of darkness. Next is, as there were so many mosquitoes in the room, I had a dash night. Sleepless means without sleep. We will write here sleepless. As there were so many mosquitoes in the room, I had a sleepless night. Now next is, suppose this firefly can speak like us. Imagine if it enters your room when you are about to sleep. What will you ask it and how would it respond? Write a possible dialogue between you and the firefly in about 5 to 6 sentences. So, this will be your imagination, that how will you talk to firefly. Let us try to write some lines about it. So, firefly is entering and looking at you, and it said, hello, why are you so sad? Then you will say, no, I am well. Then firefly said, you are not enjoying today because you are looking unhappy. Then you will say, I am tired, I want to sleep. And really you want to sleep and you don't want anybody to disturb you. Now firefly would say, I will twinkle to make you happy. Then you will say, please don't do so. Why? Because you want to sleep now. Then firefly says, it means you are unhappy. I will dispel your gloom. Firefly would say that it would help you to be happy. It will dispel your gloom. It will disappear your unhappiness. But you want to sleep and you said angrily, leave me alone. I want to take a sound sleep, because you were so tired that you didn't want anything. You just want a sound sleep. And then firefly said to you, okay, I am going away, and it left your room. So, that was possible dialogue of you and firefly. You can write some other dialogues of your choice. So, students, that were the question answers of your chapter. Just do it in your English notebook. Hope you all understand it. Thank you.